Bonsoir.
Bonsoir, madam.
Bonsoir. See, actually, Mathangi had sent me the syllabus, okay, the first semester syllabus. So, Uma, I think you and Mathangi are having same syllabus, right?
Ma'am, I'm not taking French in college.
So, French is not your second language.
No, I've taken Hindi.
Okay. Yeah. What about Sandra? Sandra?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I have taken second language as French.
Yes, yes. See, I have the syllabus with me, which Mathangi had sent. One more thing I want to ask from you is, I want you to send me the syllabus as well, so that I would able to, synchronize syllabus.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay. I will send today.
Yes, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because what Mathangi had sent, the syllabus is very good and vast. Not vast really. I mean, like it encompasses many things. Okay. So the chapters are good. So I think if we go through the chapters, then we are going to get profited from that. What happened is, Uma, I will send you the PDF. Okay. So that I thought ki you all have this. Okay, right now if I send you, can you just open the PDF right now?
Okay, madam.
Because I want to go through some of the topics which she had given to me, which are very good. So shall I post this in the group, because I don't know your number?
Okay,
Sandra, are you there in the group?
Yes, ma'am. I am there.
Okay. I just forward it. If you could open this right now, then we can discuss it further. Yeah, sent. So can you just open this PDF?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, first you can see como vous appelez. Okay. So here, s'appeler. It's just that we have to do the revision again to brush up our mind. Okay. So, and it will be helpful to you also, Sandra. Okay. Now, s'appeler. S'appeler is a verb, an irregular verb. Okay. Which means to be called, to call oneself. Uma, do you remember the conjugation?
Je m'appelle, tu t'appelles, il, elle, on s'appelle, nu, excuse me, nu appello, vous appelez, elle s'appelle.
Very good. Sandra, sapeli is to call oneself or to be called. Okay. Suppose if I say my name is, so I have to say Jamapel. Okay.
Okay. Okay,
Your
ma'am.
name is conjugate this. We are conjugating with respect to subjects. Il,
Ma'am, your voice
el,
is breaking.
my voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am. It's not at all clear.
Oh, okay. Actually, I'm running through this mobile data.
Okay, ma'am.
If it persists, I will switch on to Wi-Fi. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Along with this, you have to know and remember the writing. Okay. So if you have to write that his name is, then you must be able to write Il s'appelle Mark, Elle s'appelle Carolina, whatever the name is. Okay. So this is my name is, your name, his, her, or one's name is. Okay, this is one. Here, our name is, your name is again, and this one is their name is. Okay, L is they. Okay, now if you could see the chapter here, how to ask what is your name? In response to that, I'm saying Jamapel. So if I have to ask you what is your name, so what I will do, I can write here como. I can make a question, como vos appelez. Okay, that makes a question. So what is your name? Como vous appelez. Okay, that means what is your name? So I can also say como tu t'appelles. What I'm doing, I'm just adding a question. Okay, como. I'm adding a word to the question, como. Como tu t'appelles and como vous appelez. Now here, if I have to ask you como tu t'appelles, I can ask you in informal way. If I have to ask in a formal way to anybody, elders, strangers, not very known person, when you have to give respect, then I must say como vous appelez. Suppose you are meeting somebody first time, okay? So what I'll say, como vous appelez? That means, what is your name? In response to that, you have to say Jamapel. Okay, Sandra?
Okay, ma'am.
Now here, just see a small conversation in the chapter. La guide, bonjour monsieur. La touriste, bonjour madame. La guide, vous vous appelez comment? Le touriste, les grands. Où sont les grands? Okay? Le touriste, Jamal Escogido. La guide, comment? La touriste, Escogido Emparo. La guide, vous pouvez appeler s'il vous plaît? See, Whenever my name is Indian name. If I'm going to France, I will say my name is Deepa Mohanty. They would not be able to recognize the name at first instance, right? They will say this is not a familiar name. These names are not running in France. They have some other names, Mark, Carolina, something like that. In India, if some French name you could hear, then we will not be very familiar with them. So this is a conversation between guide and tourist. So the guide said, my name is this, and what is your name? Okay, so tourist is saying, my name is Escogido Amparo. Okay, now the guide is saying, guide, vous pouvez appeler? Could you spell please, s'il vous plaît? Okay, now here comes, suppose if your name is Sandra, okay, you will say, je m'appelle Sandra. Okay, now they will ask you to spell it. Means you have to spell individual alphabets. We had done alphabets before. Okay, so you have to spell your alphabet name. S-A-N-D-A-R. So the alphabets in French is different from alphabet in English. Okay, if you have the notes with you, you will able to find it. What is alphabet? How to spell the alphabets, each alphabet. Okay, now Uma,
Madam.
are you seeing the page, PDF page?
Yes, madam.
So see, la guide is asking, vous pouvez appeler? You could spell, please. So the tourist is spelling, this tourist is trying to spell each alphabet. Now if you could remember, Uma, can you just spell each alphabet? Escogido, if you remember.
E. S.
Yeah, no, that is not E. Uma,
A.
that is E is, yes, E is A.
S. C. O.
Yes.
G.
G. Yes.
E.
Yes.
D.
Yes. O.
O.
Very good. So, Lagit, merci. Lagit,
Ma'am, your
et toi?
voice is breaking.
Okay, then let me switch off the Wi-Fi once. Okay. Now it is clear, Uma?
Oui, madam.
Okay. So here, Lagid is asking et toi. Et toi is and you. Okay. Et toi is pronotonic. Okay. Recognize, Uma? Et toi?
Oui, madam.
Et toi, comment tu t'appelles? L'enfant, the child, Clara Morio. Okay. Now this is some of the chapters, easy chapters, which we have already done. Now let's come to this one. We have done this also. Vous êtes allemand, like its nationality. We have done this nationality also. Okay, and I have given the chart of nationalities. Now, this is very important here. If you can go right away to qu'est-ce que c'est, is the page number 5. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Okay. Can you see qu'est-ce que c'est, Uma?
Oui, madam.
Yes. So qu'est-ce que c'est is what is this? Right? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? Now, if somebody is asking what is this, then here identifier les choses. Identify the things. Okay? Les choses. Les choses is the things. If you don't know certain things, then what we ask? We do ask, what is this? And if we do not know a person, we ask, who is this? Qui est? Okay? Now, the chapter says, qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un restaurant. It is a restaurant. This is or it is a restaurant. Okay? So here, what it is saying, for Sandra, I'm doing this for you because we have already done this.
Yes, ma'am.
This is qu'est-ce que c'est. Okay? Now here qu'est-ce que c'est is, this is what? Qu'est-ce que is what? And this is this. Or this is. Qu'est-ce que c'est? We tend to say this to know certain things. Okay? So now here say how to respond to this. You can say so many things. Suppose this is c'est un restaurant. This is a restaurant. Okay? Now what I'm doing here is I'm adding articles here. Okay? I'm adding articles because restaurant is a masculine place. Is one. Indefinite article, whenever we are saying a or an, that is Are you getting?
Okay. Yes, yes, ma'am.
We do know that what is indefinite article in English, right?
I don't remember.
In French, you will be coming across genders. Okay, Sandra? So here, I'm saying if you have to say something about a or an, you have to say un, which is masculine, and une, which is feminine. Okay. And if you have to say about plural, you can see here these are singular. If you have to say something about plural, then you have to say they. Okay. I said a restaurant, so I'm saying c'est un restaurant. Now, I can also say c'est une rue. Rue. Okay. Rue means route. This is a route. Okay. And I can say des restaurants can say. If there are more than one restaurants, I want to say these are restaurants. Okay. Now, this is precising anything. Suppose I'm just generally saying this is a restaurant. So, pour préciser means if you have to give a particular information to precise it more. Next is to pour préciser. Okay. C'est le café des Lune. Uma, here. See. To be more precise, if I say c'est un restaurant, Then I can also say that, say le café, here it is written le café demi-lune. Okay. First of all, I'm saying c'est un restaurant, c'est le café demi-lune. Next is say une rue. Can you see what I'm doing? Uma, can you see what I'm doing here? Is there any commonality?
Using say for both sentences.
No, here what I'm doing, am I precising something?
Yes,
What?
like for a restaurant, you have given like a specific name,
What
cafe.
I'm,
That
yes. See, whenever we are not precise, you know what is precise? Precise is we are not particular about something. Then we are using indefinite article. See here, yun, they. Here I'm using definite article. What is definite article?
le, le, la, l apostrophe.
La, L apostrophe. When do we use definite article? Uma? We said what is the difference between indefinite? Why it is indefinite? Indefinite means it's not definite. Something in particular. When we become definite about something, we use definite.
Okay.
So first I just said c'est un restaurant. Pour préciser, to be more definite, I'm using here I'm using indefinite, here I'm using definite article. C'est le café des millions. C'est la rue de la rôtisserie. Are you getting my point?
Oui, madam, I get it.
Yes, very good. Now, similarly, you can use des restaurant and you can give, if you're certain about something, if you are talking about a particular restaurant, particular road, particular thing, then you can use the definite article. See, I'm just said this is a restaurant. I'm not mentioning any name in particular. Whereas I'm giving the name. This is the, okay? C'est le café des millions. Okay? Now you can just see, if you have understood this, please complete the exercises. Okay? It's saying you have to use indefinite and definite article. Very easy to do. Okay? If you could do this second exercise and third exercise. Right?
In that same page.
Yes, same page. You can see right side. Exercises 1 to 5 are there.
Oui.
Yes,
Complete avec un day.
Complete avec un day. Complete with indefinite article, and third one is definite article. And fourth one is definite and indefinite, both. Okay?
Okay.
Fifth one, there are some places in France. Okay? Let us know more about that. Who understand these words? Mot is words. Okay? Associate le mot de colon. There are two colon. It is asking to associate, match the colon. Left side and right side. That means you have to match which is what. Okay? For example, c'est une boutique. First sentence, c'est une boutique. This is a boutique, not mentioning any particular boutique name. Next, c'est la boutique Chanel. So see here, Yun Boutique and Chanel. There, have you heard of Coco Chanel?
Oui, madam.
Students? It is a very famous brand there, luxury fashion house, Coco Chanel. Okay. So that is a type of boutique. Okay. A cabaret. What is cabaret? Do you understand what is cabaret? Cabaret is a type of dance. Like, so out of this, can you associate what could be the match? Any guess?
Film Le Moulin Rouge. I only guessed that one.
I think out of this, that will be La Concorde. No. Okay. What about this? Moulin Rouge? Yes, Moulin Rouge.
Film.
Cabaret is Moulin Rouge. Le Moulin Rouge is a cabaret. See, you can see over here. This is a cabaret in France. Okay, Paris, where there's a big venue for that. Okay. Suppose if we in India, if we are performing any dance form, okay, where do we perform in India? Concerts, right?
Oui.
In Hyderabad, there is a place, right, where we perform these dances and all other forms of art. Cabaret is a type of modern dance there. Okay. So here, if you want to book a ticket, okay, you can go inside and watch this cabaret dance. Okay. This is a modern form of dance there. It's very famous in French. Okay. Musical dance entertainment for visitors. Okay. So cabaret, if you can, so how to say that? I can say cabaret, c'est le Moulin Rouge. Right, Uma?
Oui, madam.
Yes, see the example. Okay, next, what could we match with film? Film? Sandra, you want to try? A film?
Titanic.
Titanic, very good. Yes. A journal?
Le Times.
BBC.
BBC, I think it will
Oh,
be
television.
radio. Radio. Yun radio. Okay. La Times.
Journal.
Times. Okay.
Okay. So what about music? Music? What is musée, Sandra? Do you know what is musée?
Um,
Yeah, a musée is museum. Okay,
museum.
a musée.
Okay.
A musée is museum, a museum. So out
Okay.
of 10, what do you think could be musée?
That second one. Second one.
No, here the musée is La Prado.
Okay.
La-
That's a museum name, right,
You
ma'am?
Avenue. Yes, yes. We are matching these places for what type? Yun Avenue. Yun Avenue. Have you heard of Champs-Élysées? Les Champs-Élysées in French?
No, ma'am.
See, in India, we do have districts, we do have this thing. How our region is divided? How our region is divided in state? We do have different types of municipality corporations, districts,
Yes.
right? In
Yes.
French,
Yes.
places, for more convenience, this places have been divided into arrondissement. That is known as arrondissement. Okay. Suppose this is a France map. So they have divided into different arrondissements and have named 1, 2, 3, 4. This is arrondissement 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, arrondissement.
Okay.
So the Champs-Élysées is a very famous arrondissement there. Okay, 8th Avenue. Okay,
Okay.
where you do the parade. Okay, national parades, different things can be done there. So it is a big avenue there. Okay, I want
Okay.
you, students, I want you to just Google this to know more information about this. You getting me? I want you to please find out more about this, and next class you will tell me what it is. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Because I want you to explore more so that you can also see the pictures.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
Wikipedia and other Google images, there will be pictures of this avenue. It's very important and very, very beautiful. I want you to explore more. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So Yun Bank could be the possibility. Yun Bank. Uma?
Credit Leone.
Yes, very good. Yes, yes. Le Crédit Lyonnais. Okay. Yun Place, a place. Yun
La
Place,
Concorde.
La Concorde. Yes, I think so. Yun Radio,
La BBC.
La BBC. Yun Television, say BS, CBS.
CBS.
See what, if you just match these places, museum, movies, you can able to find more about France. The objective of doing this matching, this particular exercise is once more go through this matching, find out each and every place, museum, so that you will know more about France. Is it clear?
Yes,
Madam.
ma'am.
Yes. Suppose this Le Moulin Rouge, Le Prado, all these things I want you to discover more. Okay? There will be Wikipedia and other information related to these things. Museum, what are the museums? What are the CBSE? CBS is a very famous television there. So you have to television channel. So you have to explore more to know more about France. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now next come next one. Kies. Okay. Page 6. Here also we have to precise something. Kies is who is this? Okay. Identifier les personnes. Identifier means identify persons. Okay. Qui est? Who is this? I can say, Diana. This is Diana. Okay. To be to give more information, c'est une touriste. Okay. C'est une touriste, c'est une anglaise. If you want to, suppose you want to give some information about me, how to give more information about some person. He just asked you, who is this? So I am explaining, say Dinah. Dinah is name. Say Dinah. C'est une touriste. She is a tourist. C'est une anglaise. She is English, anglaise, nationality. So what I'm saying, see the beautiful matching. First I'm saying c'est une touriste. C'est une anglaise. If I join these two, c'est une touriste anglaise. So she is English tourist. So if I have to say about that, this is Indian tourist, how will I say?
C'est un touriste indien.
Yes, I will say Uma. C'est une touriste Indian. Okay. Tourist is feminine. So I have to say feminine nationality, which is Indian. Indian. Okay. Now, next is Agit, Yungit, Degit. So, un élément, yun élément, des éléments, and des éléments. Are you getting the difference, Uma?
Oui, madam.
In nationalities also, it has been categorized into two things are there. See, first is masculine, feminine, right? Now in masculine, I can add singular, plural, singular and plural. Here also, I can add singular and plural. Now, if I say agid, in plural, what will I say, Uma?
What is the question, madam? In here.
I'm saying how I'm categorizing things. Masculine singular, masculine plural.
Okay.
Feminine singular, feminine plural. So I'm saying here, agid. Okay, degid, right?
Indeed. For plural.
Yes. So what I'm doing, if I have to say in feminine, what I have to say? E is already there. See, feminine words mostly end in E. If E is already there, You need not be adding anything else. So I can say yun geet. And plural will be same, they geet. Okay. About nationalities, Uma, if I say a élément, what is élément, Uma?
German?
German, un élément. Well, what should I say in plural?
Des éléments with S at the end.
Des éléments. Here, yun,
Élément with E at the end.
élément, élémonde. Again here,
Élément.
des élémonde, des élémonde.
Okay.
Okay. Is it clear?
Oui, madame.
Next, see, pour préciser, to be more precise, I'm saying le guide des touristes. So what does this mean? What is this, Uma? If I say le guide des touristes, what is they? Which article is this? Is it indefinite article they, or it is contract article they?
Contract article?
So what does this mean? Is this mean off? This means off, right, Uma?
Oui, madame.
Le guide des touristes. So you have to be particular where to use indefinite, where to use contract. Okay? Be very, very clear. So if I'm saying guide of tourist, le guide des touristes. Okay? Next is les professeurs de l'université. La serveuse du restaurant. Les serveuses du restaurant. La serveuse. Les serveuses. So what it is trying to do basically, it is focusing on articles and it is focusing on singular and plural. Okay? Pour caractériser. Caractériser. I am trying to characterize something. Caractériser. Voici. Voici Azra. Students, have I told you about voila and voici? These French people use these words a lot. Have you heard of? I have told you, no, Uma, voila. Voila. Voila is there is. There he or she comes. There is, there are. Voici is here. Here is. Voila. If suppose in English what we say, there it goes or here it goes. Okay? Something like that. So they want to say every word you will say frequently they use voila, voici. Voila, voici. So here he's saying voici Azra. Here is Azra. Okay? Elle est Turk. Nationality, if we have gone through, what is Turk? Turkey?
Turkish.
Turkish, from Turkey. So,
Oui.
what is masculine? Isn't it
Turk.
Turk? Turk, and this is Turk. This is masculine, this is feminine.
Oui.
So, I can say he is Turk, elle est Turk. Il est Turk, elle est Turk. He is Turk, she is Turk. Right? Sandra? Are you getting something out of it?
Yes,
Sandra?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm trying to make it simpler,
Yes,
but I will again emphasize that please go through the notes once again. Because if you go through the notes, it will be easier
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
to catch in the class. Okay. So, for character,
Okay, ma'am.
explaining something about a person. And this person is Azra. Elle est Turk. Elle est étudiante. She is student. Now next, voici Andriano. Andriano is a guy. Il est portugais. Il est professor. Okay, very easy. Now what I want you to do, right side you can see here, exercises 1, 2, 3. Exercises 1.
Yes, ma'am.
In 1, bono, key S. See here, again, it is asking to use article, indefinite and definite articles. 1. Second one is, I want you to know this persons. I think you already know this persons, Barack Obama. What is Barack Obama? Who is Barack Obama?
Is
Politic.
American president.
Yes, home politic here. Home politic. Albert Einstein.
Scientific.
Scientific, very good. Beethoven. Have you heard of Beethoven?
Shanto.
Huh? Santa?
Beethoven is a pianist, right?
Yes, Santo. Santer, I think.
Something.
Okay, well, who is this Antonio Banderas?
He's an actor.
Actor? Okay, so we can say artist.
Oui.
Pablo Picasso.
He's an artist.
Pablo Picasso.
Picasso is an artist.
Artist. Then who is this? Comedian like Garu. Garu. Who is Garu? Okay. Angela Merkel. Chancellor of German.
Farm policy.
Penelope Cruz. Penelope Cruz is artist. Penelope Cruz. Okay. Penelope Cruz is artist. She is actress. Madonna. Santos.
Shantas.
So here you can see here. He is saying Santa. Santa, masculine. Feminine will be Chantas. Right? Dancer. Here they have said comedian. Right? Comedian. Getting my point? If you have to say he is comedian, il est comedian. Elle, she is comedian. Okay? Uma?
Oui, madam.
See how he's saying home politic, farm politic. Okay? Political man, political woman. So, what is home? Home is?
Man.
Man. And farm is women. Right? Now, the third one is, if you want to, any of your friends, you can say elle s'appelle, il est, c'est un, elle est, c'est une. Okay? Just guess that you are discussing something about your friend. So you are describing someone. Décrire une personne. Okay? You are describing a person. Now what do you have to describe? Elle s'appelle. Her name is, and elle, she is. Suppose if I say elle s'appelle Uma. Elle est étudiante. Okay? C'est une. You can say elle est étudiante. C'est une étudiante. C'est une. Suppose if you are doing singing, I can say c'est une chanteuse. Okay? Can I say that? What is your hobby, Uma?
Writing.
Écrivez.
Écrire.
Écrivez. So we have discussed about hobbies, right, Uma?
Oui, madame.
So how to describe hobbies? You want to say I like to write?
J'aime écrire.
J'aime écrire. J'aime écrire, yes. Okay, so we are going to do the next chapters as well, which is very, very interesting. Just please save this PDF with you, okay? Save this PDF. We're going to discuss this lessons as well as the lessons which I'm going to post in the group, okay? I had already posted one lesson with you. I think this one, Les Voisins de Sophie, right? Les Voisins de Sophie. Have I posted that? The topic?
Oui, madame.
Les Voisins de Sophie. That means neighbors of Sophie. Okay. If we still have time, then let me go through this. So, les voisins de Sophie. What is voisin?
Neighbors.
Neighbors. Okay. So now what the girl is doing? She is trying to describe about her neighbors. Okay. Here she's saying Sophie. Tia. Tia means look. She is describing to her father. Les voisins ont un chat. What is chat? What is chat?
Cat.
Cat. See, the neighbors are having a cat. Okay. Le père. Pardon. Pardon. That means his father not able to recognize, understand what suddenly she said. So what we say in English? Pardon me, or we say normally sorry, right? Pardon. That is the same spelling, but we are saying pardon. Sophie, les nouveaux oiseaux. Uma, have we done this adjective nouveau?
New.
Nouveau. This is singular, masculine singular. What is this masculine plural? Uma?
Nouveau.
Nouveau. X.
There's no change in the terminator, right?
No,
And it's
no,
plural.
no, Uma. This is singular. Le nouveau. This is les nouveaux. I'm adding X to here. I said whenever there is EAU, you have to make not S.
I couldn't see the board clearly.
Okay. So here, les nouveaux voisins means we're saying new neighbors. Okay. New neighbors. Ils ont un chat. Ils ont, they have a cat, a chat. Ils sont très gentils. We have done adjectives, right, Uma? So
Oui.
they are saying, here suppose if I'm saying ils ont a chat. See the pronunciation? Ils ont, avoir, which means they have. Now être, ils sont, they are, right? Ils sont très.